In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chrome's Incognito mode. It is also called private browsing, and the difference between Incognito mode and a regular Chrome browser is Incognito mode does not use a history of your Chrome browser. It is like starting a completely private session within the Chrome browser, and it cannot see other parts of your computer. It will just start as if you're using a new computer. Uh, so this really helps when you're trying to log in with a different Google account or some other account, and when you log in, Google keeps asking you for the same username and password you already use, but you want to use something totally different on that occasion. So to go into incognito mode, you will need to go to the top right corner of the screen. You will see these three dots in the end. Click here and click on New Incognito Window. Once you click that, and there is a shortcut as well, you can press Control plus Shift plus N. Once you click that, this is the incognito mode. So now this is where you can do everything you want. It will not save anything you do in this session. As soon as you close this window, Google will delete all the cookies, the password, and everything you have done in this window. At the same time, it is not going to use what you have saved in your main browser, like your passwords, Google, cookies and images and the history. Everything is discarded. So this is a completely private browsing session within Google Chrome. There is one thing to note: you cannot, if you start another incognito window, so you cannot have two different incognito windows independent from each other at the same time. It will always, you can only have one private session within Chrome. If you open multiple incognito windows, they will all share the same logins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like the video if it was helpful to you. Thank you.